Hi, I'm Janet Montesilio, 38 years old and an international teacher applicant from the Philippines. I hold a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in biology, and I also finished my Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management. For the past 15 years in the department, I'd been teaching Science 7 up to 10 in the secondary school level. Throughout my teaching career, I've been participating into different trainings and seminars that focus on classroom management, teaching techniques and strategies that somehow improve and enhance my teaching skills. As a science teacher, my teaching philosophy is deeply rooted in three fundamental principles that guide my approach to education. Number one, learning should be around the interests, the capabilities, and the needs of the students. Second, students learn best when they are actively involved in the learning process. And third, learning is most effective when it is connected to real-life situations and meaningful contexts. Teaching in the US offers a unique opportunity for me to immerse myself into different cultural settings, enhancing my understanding on global diversity. Another reason for me why I applied for US teaching position is that U.S. education system is renowned for its innovative approaches and resources. And teaching there would mean exposing myself to new methodologies, technologies, and best practices that will enhance my skills as an educator.